So this is Hyundai i20 2012 model, and its handle is broken. You see his typical problem with this car. This plastic sort of knob gets broken normally, pretty common thing, and I'm going to replace that with a new one. So what you do, you start from here, open up that cover, and from there we're going to access that to unlock a screw. So I just removed this cover, plastic cover, using a screw. That screw head, just prise it open, and then you see there's a nut down there. Maybe I'm gonna open that nut. So it appears to be an M10 nut, so I'm gonna use the set of spanners and use that to open it. So I have removed the nut, and I'm gonna go this side of the door and take this part of the locking mechanism and gently pull it out. And you see it comes out like this, locking mechanism. So that's one part that leaves behind the other part. So the other part, I'll just try to push it out this way and take it out, and you'll see this is the door handle, and that part you can see is broken part. I'm going to replace this with a new one, which I have it here. So it will be in the car. So that's the new one. Used door handle, and you can see the difference here. So that was broken. This is a broken piece, and that's the replacement one. Yeah. So I'm going to change that with this new one. So bring the handle back, slide it through here, slide through there, and just push it on the right side. Push it, and then it just locks in, right? And you can test it like this. Try to see if it works or not. See, it's operating perfectly fine. Joint is perfect. It's not coming out anymore. I'll place the lock back in again here. And slide the lock back in again, right? And put the nut down there. Screw it. Put the cap on. Job done. Word of caution, yeah. So I've installed that nut back in again. You can see there's a cavity here in the door. Yeah, it's like a hollow section. Yeah. So for any reason, if it slips through your spanner, it will gonna go all the way down, never to be found again. Right. So you just wanna be very careful while controlling your hand movements, so it does go into the threads and get it fully installed. Yeah. So it's word of caution. Yeah. I'm gonna put this plastic cap back in again. So that's a little cap, seal it, all done, and shut the door, and you can see it opens up. The joint is fully intact, nice and lovely. Job done. Hardly takes 5 minutes to do it.